Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a motorcycle that blends timeless style with modern practicality. Built for riders who crave agility and character, with its minimalist design and compact frame, it delivers a confident stance without losing the brand's classic DNA. The bike is powered by a refined 349cc J-Series engine that produces a smooth yet commanding performance, making city rides effortless and highways engaging. Its lightweight chassis and responsive handling make it a versatile companion for both seasoned riders and beginners looking for their first big motorcycle. Comfort and control are central to the Hunter 350's charm. The upright riding posture, well-cushioned seat, and ergonomically placed handlebars provide a relaxed experience even during long commutes. Its suspension setup is tuned to tackle rough patches without compromising stability, while the low seat height makes it approachable for a wide range of riders. With excellent weight distribution and predictable braking, the bike inspires confidence. Whether weaving through traffic or cruising at steady speeds, Royal Enfield has also focused on practicality, with the Hunter 350 offering features that align with everyday usability. A digital analog instrument cluster keeps essential information clear, while its fuel efficiency ensures fewer stops and longer journeys. The bike is available in multiple color schemes and finishes, allowing riders to express their personality through style. Its compact size makes it easier to park in crowded areas, a thoughtful touch for urban riders who want both performance and convenience. Ultimately, the Hunter 350 represents a fresh, yet authentic extension of Royal Enfield's heritage. It strikes the perfect balance between classic charm and contemporary demands. Designed for a new generation of riders who seek fun, freedom, and functionality. Whether you're navigating city streets or setting off on spontaneous weekend rides, the Hunter 350 stands out as a reliable, stylish, and approachable motorcycle that stays true to the brand's enduring spirit of pure motorcycling. Royal Enfield has also focused on practicality, with the Hunter 350 offering features that align with everyday usability. A digital analog